As tensions between China and Taiwan persist, all eyes are on the U.S. for chip manufacturing, and Texas has emerged as the place to be for chip makers. One of the leading manufacturers in the state is Texas Instruments, a name you likely recognize from the graphing calculator you used in school. CNBC got an inside look at one of TI's fabs in Richardson, Texas, where the company uses a massive space to create these tiny chips. The company's Fab 2 came online just last September, marking TI's second plant in the city, where it plans to manufacture a combined 100 million analog chips per day. Construction is also underway in Sherman, Texas, where TI is building a $30 billion fab, the largest new chip investment in the state. The company is now a big player in the chip game, but did you know that it was integral to the semiconductor industry from the start? TI was first founded as Geophysical Service Inc. in 1930, adopting its current name in 1951. It was an engineer named Jack Kilby at TI in 1958 that first filed for a patent for the integrated circuit. That invention opened up the possibility of miniaturizing chips by creating the entire circuit, not just the transistors out of silicon. And of course, the company also later went on to build the first handheld electronic calculator in the 60s. Fast forward to today, and Texas Instruments is well known for creating calculators, but one company executive also says,
if you have an electronic device, you almost certainly have a TI semiconductor chip inside of it.
This has placed Texas Instruments as a top manufacturer of microchips, along with Samsung, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Intel. Samsung is another company breaking ground in Texas, spending $17 billion to build a fab 30 miles north of Austin. Texas Instruments and Samsung's investments in Texas are part of a wider trend. Since the CHIPS and Science Act was introduced in 2020, more than 50 new U.S. semiconductor projects have been announced, totaling over $210 billion. More than $61 billion of that is in Texas. To get a deeper look at CNBC's exclusive tour of TI's fab, and to learn more about why the Lone Star State has become the hub of U.S. chip manufacturing, visit the link in our bio.